how to share MS Word file or any type of file on WhatsApp. So first of all, go to WhatsApp. After that, open the chat that you want to share that file. Now here you will simply click on that icon. After that, you will see gallery, camera, location, contact, document, audio, pool, event. So simply click on document. After that, click on browse documents. So simply click on that. Now here you will go to the file that we are located it. So I will simply go to the file. It was located in download. Now I will scroll. Here we go. So here is the file that I want to share, MS Dartboards. Simply I will click on that. After that, click on share. And once you click on share, file will be shared to that person. That's how you can share MS Word file or any type of file on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching.